Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, inverted struts, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.